Welcome to the Queen Anne Bed and Breakfast. I am so excited to show you this property. We actually have this listed in partnership with Nexus Commercial Real Estate. And if you don't know anything about the bed and breakfast here, you're gonna learn a lot today because this is one of the most iconic locations, hospitality places in the city here, if not the country. So it's got a turn of the century charm. It has an incredible location, and certainly you can come and find one of the best breakfasts you can find in the city. So come along and we'll show you around. All right, here we find ourselves in the main house of the Queen Anne Bed and Breakfast. It's actually made up of two homes. So we have the original home right here and then the one to the north. This particular home has 9 bedrooms. Of course, this beautiful dining space with this custom round table for all of the guests to unite and share stories and a cup of coffee. And then we'll find ourselves here in this beautiful, updated chef's kitchen. So obviously the current operator uses this building as a bed and breakfast, and this is where he cooks and entertains for all of his guests. But we actually feel that this could be used for a potential office space, for a corporate event center. If you wanted to host cooking expositions here, you could kind of just convert the space however you need. So the current operator is a very passionate and accomplished chef, and he actually grows a lot of his own vegetables and spices and herbs out back, which we can show you here soon. One of the special things about this property, many special things about it, is that each room is individually designed and decorated. So the current owner gave a budget to local artists here to give full creative control. They could do what they wanted with the furniture and with the design of the room and lighting package and all of that. So each room is totally different from the other, which kind of gives this special flair every time you come, and you may want to try out a different room. So it truly is unique and special. We're now on the top floor of the main house. There are 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms up here. We're currently in the Aspen room, which is appropriately named. And then one of the features about this room is it has a beautiful turret and the mural goes all the way up. So if you want to follow me around, we're going to go to the rooftop room. And this is one of my favorite rooms. So again, old Victorian, we're going to weave through. And a very special feature that comes with the rooftop room is a private deck and a private hot tub. Okay, we are in the second building here. And this building features 4 suites. Each have their own bathroom, of course, but you can see some of the architectural details and a lot of this beautiful natural light flooding in, and this, beautiful plants here. So check it out. We're going to go upstairs and see a few of these suites. We're in my favorite room in the entire Queen Anne Bed and Breakfast. So of course you got your bedroom, and that's cool. But the living room back here and the bathroom, come on through. It's not just any ordinary bathroom. We have this sunken tub, and it still fits me. So I can comfortably shower in here, being 18 inches below the floor. So I know I mentioned the location before, but I can't stress how incredible it is. We look over Tremont Park right here. Downtown is steps away, restaurants, bars, cultural centers. The 5280 bike loop is gonna start pretty much at this corner right here. It takes you all the way down to Coors Field, uninterrupted biking. So if you have any questions, let us know. We're listing this with Nexus Commercial Real Estate. It's going to be priced at $3.8 million. So it's the business, it's the real estate. You've got parking out back and gardens. So there's multiple uses for this space. If you have any questions, please feel free. Let me know. I'd love to show it to you.